how to basically sign up for Shein affiliate program step by step. Hello everyone, welcome back to another video. In this video I'm going to be showing you how you can sign up for a Shein affiliate program in the easiest, most simplest way possible. So to start things off, what you're going to do is you're going to go on Google and you're going to write Shein affiliate. Now once you write Shein affiliate, what you're going to do, there's no proper affiliation website. Like, you can go into Shein's website and go into their affiliation to register, but you can also go with Post Affiliate Pro or DCM Network that provides Shein affiliation that you can choose for yourself. But obviously, you can just come in straight to Shein's their very own website. Now once you're in your Shein's very own website, over here, sign up for Publisher Program. So Publisher Program is obviously affiliate program. So what you're going to do is you're going to input your name and everything. Once you do that, choose your country and region. Once you've chosen the country and region for yourself, from there on out, what we are going to want to do is just add our email address. Then there's password and everything, and once you've entered that, it's going to take you straight into the main page where you're going to add your contact information and business information and how you're going to promote their products on the media. So yeah, promotional type, obviously I'm going to go with individual. Then you're going to add your account name and everything. You're going to add your PayPal account, so where to get the money on. You're going to choose where you're going to promote the market, where you're going to put in your average traffic, your URL and everything. You're going to read the policy, and then finally your application will be successful. That's how easy and simple it is to actually sign up for Shein affiliate. So yeah, that's about it. Thank you for watching, and I'll see all of you next time. Goodbye.